Welcome to Pydle Day 134. Pydle is a daily puzzle game you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is an elephant. I've called it another elephant because we had an elephant side view a couple of days ago. So this is looking from the front. Let me know in the comments what you think of my elephant. If you need to Pydle, or you just look at just after some tips on how to solve Pydle or programming Python, then stick around. So I'll now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was Winnie the Pooh character. Okay, so there's some symmetry there. We're not really going to need that, I think. So first thing is just that single white pixel. So let's write the condition for that. So you say if x equals, so x equals 2 and y equals 0. So we can combine those two and say x minus 2 equals y equals 0. Okay, so basically taking the and, which is x equals 2 and y equals 2, and we could, by subtracting 2 from x, we make that 0 as well. So we can say x minus 2 equals y equals 0. And then we run that, and we should get that single pixel isolated. Okay, now the bottom row for the clothes, you can just do aleph. So y equals 4, because we want to use a single line to do both the reds and the orange. So we can do that with an inline if statement. So you can say orange if 0 less than x less than 4, else red. Okay. Okay, so it would have been simple if we didn't have the 3 black pixels. So we're just gonna have a aleph, and then we're going to create a tuple of x comma y, not in. So the simplest is just to create a list of those coordinates of those 3 black pixels. Now we could have done just a list like that and have the 3 pixels like that, or another kind of convenience method, convenience function is zip, where you basically combine 2 lists to create a list of tuples with the elements combined. So now you can just go left to right. So that x is 1, 3, and 2. So just going left to right, that x is 1, 3, and 2. And if we combine that with the y coordinates in the second argument to zip, we will get the tuples of those pixels. So y is 1, 1, 3. Okay. I think that's still pretty readable. And then they are going to be yellow. Okay, so let's run that, and that solves the Pydle. If you haven't done it yourself, then just go back. It's quite fun. You can do anything you want in the Python interpreter on this page. You can also go to Playground. This runs in your browser, so no code gets sent to the server to run, to execute. The code executes in your browser. And then have a go at solving Pydle, today's Pydle, which is the elephant. I'll see you again tomorrow.